How to hook up a boomless nozzle to your Land Champ. You will need 2 1/2-inch wrenches, hose cutters, and a 1/4-inch wrench. Using the hardware supplied, secure the mounting bracket to the back of the frame. Remove the 2 outer brass caps at the bottom of the frame and secure the hose barbs to the valves. Measure how much hose you will need and cut your hose to the appropriate length. After sliding on the hose clamp, attach the hose to the hose barbs and secure it with the hose clamp. Follow the same process for the other hose, and your boomless nozzle should be hooked up and ready to go.